So in this problem here, we're simply writing the equation of a line that has been graphed in point slope form. Okay, so I need the slope and the point. So by looking at this equation, I can already get rid of two of these. Okay, I am going to get rid of C because this has a positive slope and I know it's negative. And I can get rid of D because both of those slopes are positive. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what is left. So here, this is my X value, my Y value. Remember, when I pull my points out, it's going to be opposite signs. So inside my equation, since this is a -4, when I pull it out, it's going to be a +4. Here, this is a +7. When I pull it out, it's going to be a -7. So let's go look. I have a point at +4, -7. Well, that could work right here. So that's my answer A. And now let's do the same thing with answer B. So I'm going to pull this out. I have a -2. Here, opposite, I have a -1. So it tells me this point at -2, -1, which is right here, nowhere even close to the line. So A is our answer.